Hello guys, uh, this video is for those of you who are experiencing problems with your DJI controller for the Mavic Air, namely the joysticks that are not working properly. For instance, my left joystick was always stuck in this position, the up position of about 20%, and I was having trouble flying my Mavic Air. I have seen that many of you are experiencing the same problem, so I thought that my choices were either to buy another controller or try to repair this one. I chose the latter, and I already fixed my left joystick, which now is working just right, and I'm going to do the same with my right one, and this time I will film it, so maybe it will help some of you. The things you're going to need are a screwdriver with multiple different bits, an air pump, and some contact spray. So, the first thing you need to do is take out these two screws. They are already loosened. Put them aside. Okay. Now to take off these caps, you need to do this operation. Oh, come on. That's one. That's the second one. Okay. Now, what you need to do is you'll have to take out this plastic part, and to do that you need to pry open with your screwdriver from this point. Just be careful not to break it. Okay, finally. So this is how it looks without this part. And now there are two more screws you'll have to take out. One here and one there. Okay, these are off. I'll maybe take this off too. And pull them aside. Right. Now you have to take these two connectors out, this one and this one. Now gently lift it. Whoops. So we'll put this aside. We don't need it right now. That's the part we're going to work on. So, as I told you, I already did this one, which was stuck at 20% in the up direction, and now it's working perfectly. And now we'll take care of this one. So, in order to do that, we'll have to take away these screws, the 4 screws. So now you have this bit. You'll need to take this round cap off also. So this is the part you'll need to spray it with this contact spray. I will take it outside and just spray it around this white stick, and then you'll have to dry it out with an air pump like this, or I don't know, just let it dry. Don't put it inside while it's wet. Okay, so I'll be right back. So I'm back. I just cleaned this joystick with a contact spray and dried it with my rubber air pump, and now we'll put everything back together. So put this on, be careful not to break it. Okay, so now you'll have to be careful to put this button in the same position as this button. So this is the sport button. You can set it in normal mode. Put this in normal mode also. And just press it in. Okay, it clicks. This button works. Now slide these connectors in. Okay, next one. Okay. So that's about it. It's not that hard. And now I'll test it. So as you can see, the joysticks are at 0% when in neutral, both of them. They work just great. Sorry. Okay, so that was the left one. This is the right one. Sorry again. Okay, so I hope this helps you, and good luck.